and ready. Alright guys, we're back to my channel, and you see right here, the cameraman up here. CRF 70F is my brother's bike. I have same thing, just an 80F. Mine is clutch, his doesn't. His is only a speed one. Both of ours don't actually make them no more. So I'm gonna get my helmet on, and we're gonna be doing some stuff today, guys. So let's get the sucker started. All right, Jacob, get the cameraman over here this side. So you see the throttle right here, guys. Pull it all the way in. When you kick, so pull it all the way in. Put some butt into it. This sounds nice, doesn't it? Alright, so instead of one down for the clutch, one up is first. So let's get it in here. Shake up. You're not coming at me right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, where you're at. You don't want me to hit the jump, okay? No, back, what I'm gonna hit. You're right here. So I'm gonna shift out to first. Go to second, and here I go. This one's easy. Woo! I can ride this bike. Is this a pedal bike or just
It's a pedal bike.
a bike? Right, here I go for a second round.
Yeet! Hit the jump over here. Brayson, come through here.
Girl, baby.
Brayson, go through here. Go through here.
Dude, what's it?
Go through there. Go through the mud. Oh yeah.
Alright, now guys, I have it in neutral. Is it recording? Yeah? Yeah. Alright, go back and look at the exhaust. We got a camera with wheels, guys. Jacob, my buddy. And look at his shorts. Look at his shorts. Face the camera. Alright, here we go. Go to first and then try to hit it right there. Or action spot.
Got a good shot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what a shot! Yo, what a shot!
How's that this way? Right. Oh, pretty darn. Brakes. Every time I hit the brakes, I wreck. I'll be in the way. I'll come out. I'll hit it. Action. Right.
You want to give it a little popper? Pop it?
Oh, right there.
No, look. Here's what I'm saying. Come over here. Come up here. Just right whenever you hit right here, give it some gas.
I'm gonna back up. I'm like demonstrate here. What we're gonna do? Okay. I'm gonna get in first, guys. And Jacob stand right here, like where you were before. Like, dude, do you see that really? I had some serious air on that. Jacob first. What we're gonna tell him to do is here and push down.
I told you. Oh my god. I told you. I think I got that.
That was the perfect air time right there.
Oh my god. Johnny, did you see that? Brayson, come do that again for Johnny. Johnny, come over here.
Alright, here guys, me back, and I think somebody's, I don't know, I don't know, but guys, you see them 2-1. That was air. It's just, was I leaning back? I don't.
You've leaned back a little bit.
And it just, now I kind of wish I had this house now. Earlier I said I don't wish I had this house. Now, since I have this little key, alright, but guys, hope you're having a beautiful day. Welcome to the video. Can't say vlog because I'm not vlogging, but you guys have a beautiful day. I am too. Nice day on Friday. Just got out of school. I had an early dismissal. Some from different school districts might not have early dismissal, but most of you should have an early dismissal. And me myself got off for a doctor's appointment, and all I've done today is I ate. I didn't wear a chest protector yesterday. Don't tell my mom about this. Hope she doesn't go on YouTube and see this, but oh my god, that's like pounding for seconds. And I was 6-minute video. Oh my god, 6-minute video. That's one of the longest videos I've had, guys. And I want to see how I look like with the helmet on. Yeah, not that bad, but pretty bad. I'm gonna go do it again, guys. Let's go. Just pop it up there. I did. Jacob, come here. Is it still recording? All right, come on, guys.
Wait, stand there. I zoomed in really far on your face.
Let me see.
Look, so I can make it into low light. See, low light?
All right, but guys.
You want it bright or light? You want it bright light or like
Bright.
regular?
Bright.
Okay.
However it is right now in the actual sunlight.
You want it darker then? But
However
right,
it looks like in real
Johnny,
person,
tell Brayson how good that looks.
That looks exactly like it is right now. Here, swap cameras real quick.
No, look right now because it's focused.
Oh yeah, that looks amazing, guys. It looks like a steady camera. You have steady hands, dude. Green grass. All right. Here, Jacob, come on over here.
Yeah.
We're gonna do original Willie over there, so we don't touch the grass. So
we're gonna do wheelies.
this is what I think it is over there. So go over where you have. This is normal.
No, because then you'll smash into that van. Then your mom will kick your asses.